Racing just is started. We have Friends for Never. Break quickly at the start. Eagle swings Europe eyes down on the inside. Business class Senior Cricket in the middle portion. Then comes South Pearl Big Bang Bong. Dragon King comes next. Chief of Staff. Grand Sensation while Dynamic Duo is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn where Eagle swings by a length and a half. And in second comes Business Class. Senior Cricket comes next. Friends for Never. Alongside comes Big Bang Bong. South Pearl. Europa comes next. Chief of Staff. Racing secondless is Dragon King. While entry number 5. And this one is Dynamic Duo now racing last inside the 3 octavo. We have 2 entries and now fighting out for the lead. Business Class is on the outside, moves up by about a neck. Down on the inside comes Eagle swings. Then here comes Big Bang Bong. Likewise Friends for Never. Now moving up on the outside. Europe is down on the inside. Dynamic Duo moving up on the outside as they swing for home. Eagle swings Friends for Never, and on the outside Dynamic Duo. We're about 100 meters up the race. We have Friends for Never, this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Dynamic Duo, and finally Friends for Never. Dynamic Duo, Eagle swings, Chief of Staff, then comes Big Bang Bong.
Yung